Hello. So today I have a question for you. When you go online and do your shopping, why is that not subject to sales tax? It's because of a 1992 Supreme Court case that made it basically illegal for your vendors, if they don't have a physical presence in your state from which you're buying, so if you're doing it online, to not charge sales tax. So since 1992, online shopping is exempt from sales tax. Well, right now in the Supreme Court, there is a case being heard that is an attempt to reverse that decision and start making online shopping potentially subject to sales tax. It all stems from a South Dakota case that I'm going to talk to you about in a moment. Now, lately, a lot of the states have been literally begging Congress to get involved and pass a law about online shopping and sales tax, and basically revisit or overturn that 1992 law of the land as we know it today. So let's look at that South Dakota case, because that's a good one to look at, and that's not the only state that has taken matters into its own hands, but it's the one currently it's the one whose model the Supreme Court is currently looking at. So tired of waiting for Congress to act on this matter, many states actually have taken matters into their own hands and passed their own version of internet shopping, South Dakota being one of the ones to look at. So in South Dakota, if an online vendor in the year has more than $100,000 of online sales or 200 transactions, not very much to, not a very high bar to get over, then they are required under their state law for that out-of-town, seller to start collecting sales tax and pay it over to South Dakota, even though that seller has no presence at all in the state of South Dakota. So watch for that court case and look for a decision maybe around June on this matter, or at least some movement in this case around June. And in case you're wondering, the president does favor some form of internet sales tax. So we shall watch and wait and look. Happy shopping and happy summer.